We are back at full throttle in Florence. I am going to try to do a 23 this weekend. That was going to happen, but we're going to have Jake and Andy with us, so 2 more racers. I don't know how Andy does, but we'll see.
I've got so much pee on my leg.
Do you remember what times we ran last?
24.597 versus 24.661.
I don't know if Andy's going to be able to hang, dude. I'm good. I'm going to bring a pillow the next time. That's what she said. Yeah, dude. This thing is so slow, dude. Oh my god. Oh, you just keep it forward the whole fucking truck. This thing is... Andy just went around me. Oh, he's just holding it wide open through every corner. Yeah. Yeah, this thing just has nothing at the ends. It's so slow up the line. He's just flat out leaving me. Yeah, dude, I swear to you, this thing's fucking... Yeah, this thing just ain't got nothing. No juice. Yeah. It's got brand new tires on it though. the tires heated up real quick. Look at him, we're gone, dude. You just left me. You were in turn 2 before I could even get to turn 1. I almost wonder if the choke was all the way off. Quick break. I want to go over the graphs that we get after each race because I find it kind of interesting. So the one I'm most interested about is Brandon, who is racing up in the Ohio track. This was one of his first races, and he ran a 30-32. So I heard the Ohio track is a little bit bigger than the Florence track, and when I say Ohio track, I mean the one up in Cincinnati. So this is my cousin Tony Baker with Ruiner Motorsport. He ran 23.997, which is the quickest time. His graph's pretty interesting. He gets focused in on something here, knocks it out of the park, and then does a little victory lap. But it looks like, now I'm not sure, but judging by the picture, it looks like around lap 13 was actually when he ran his quickest lap. So he might have been trying to focus out 2 corners here. I'm not quite sure. He's got another graph that I find really interesting. This one here, which it is a 24.353. I don't remember which kart this was in. I want to say this was actually in the kart that we were saying was slow the first time we went there. But this graph is pretty damn cool to me because it's just so smooth. It's like he understands the kart by lap 2 and then puts it on lap 3 and then just starts shaving time off here. This whole, these are all within seconds of each other, and then he really gets it right here. So I don't know what turn he's in that he's cutting this much time off between lap 8 and 9. I keep thinking it's a hairpin left hand corner after the long straight, but I haven't seen what he's done so far. I'm waiting for him to put a GoPro on, but the fact that he's cut this much time off within a lap is crazy because he's really, this is one corner here, 1 or 2 corners that he's just locking in really good. So this is my quickest time yet, 24.443. I want to say this is my quickest time. I haven't really paid attention the past 3 years I've gone. I just kind of raced them and then bullshitted with my friends, but for some reason, being in this league. So this is my first race. I realized the kart's real slow, and I kind of just stopped driving the kart, and then I got back into it. Around here is probably where Andy passed me. I was trying to keep up with him, and then I really just let off. And Jake caught up to me probably around here somewhere. So to be able to actually see where, I just wasn't driving it anymore on the graph itself, that this graph is actually really accurate on the times and what your average is. Just actually seeing this, because typically your graphs look like this for the most part. You're getting locked in your kart, and then you do a little victory lap, and then you lock it in again, another little victory lap, and then 24.055. Look how much time he saved off between here and all these other low spots. So what is he focusing in? What is he doing so different here? That's all I have to talk about. Figure I'd give you guys a little break and see what your guys' thoughts are. Comment down below. Thank you all for watching, and we'll get right back into the third race, which I feel like was the most exciting because I was actually able to catch up to Jake, and we did a little bumping, a little rubbing. Yeah, you listen to that cart runs really good too. That's when you hear him let off and get back onto it, but listen to it open up. You can hear the clutches opening up good. That Jetson mobile sound is what you want to hear in them. If you can hear the engine over the clutches and the engine's struggling to spin the clutches. So I mean, the kart that I had earlier, those clutches might be getting tight in there and it's harder for it to spin up.
They're pretty old cars.
Yeah, you can hear it's kind of it's popping too. It's getting a little extra fuel.
I'd rather just have an oval.
Just do circles. Jake, you had 39.
Yeah, I think.
What was wrong with 39? Okay, let's see if that's either you problem or this thing's warm.
Warm up?
Oh, the tires are warm too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, this thing feels good.
Oh yeah.
I can see and it bounces. Damn, that thing got loose on me.
They told me not to hit walls. Where got people? Yeah, I mean, you just take off, dude. You just straight leave me. Yeah, it's just so fast in this case. Ah, you should have got me! That's a dude. You done blocked me out twice, man. How you doing? That was a lot. Oh, dude, I found a quarter out here. I found a quarter.
Oh, thank you. You're giving me a fist bump.